Jake, how old you say this shit is, bro?
Hey, bro. This bitch like 15 years old.
Fucking 15-year-old fish, bro. But I feel like you gotta pull that bitch out, bro.
Yeah.
Just pull that bitch out. What the fuck? Hold on, we need a better look, bro. We need a better look. What the fuck? Whoa, I need a fucking straight, bro. Well, straighten that bitch out. What the fuck? What? Smack that bitch on the table. What the fuck? You got